Hi, it's Cindy Novotny with What Would Cindy Do? You know, I have taken some time just to relax. Now, I found that I have this little rose garden and I actually love it. I dress like this so in case any of the kids come by, they might think I'm Mrs. Claus. But, I'm out here and what I'm doing is I'm going through my magazines. I have always gotten these magazines over the years. And I usually don't even read them because I've been flying around doing so much, before that I didn't have time to make the cookies. Well, I decided I was going to come and take a moment, and I'm going through the actual magazine that a lot of people go through with Christmas ideas. I mean, look at this, Mad for Plaid. I might go into my craft room and make like a stocking. I have been working on Jessica's stocking. I have been embroidering kind of a needlepoint type of situation since she was born. And now granted, I probably will finish it maybe, I don't know, next year. I thought maybe COVID would allow me to finish it now, but that didn't happen. But I might look at making some of these things. I mean, you look at this and you literally go, now this is cool. This is like a fun thing to do. Since we're really not buying each other presents this year due to the pandemic, I could actually make a wreath with all the little boxes of jewelry that I got over the years prior, and I could open it pretending they're new gifts this year. I mean, that's what Cindy would do. She would not sit here in a pity pool saying to herself, I cannot believe that we are already in December. The time that I should be out shopping and flying around and taking Christmas trees all over the world from Madrid to Sicily. No, I'm doing everything in my own home, just like the rest of you, and I'm having fun. I'm dressing up for every occasion, and I am deciding that it doesn't matter what's going on in this world, because even if you don't have a rose garden, just go plop yourself somewhere outside, throw on a Santa cap, and say, that's what Cindy would do. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you next time.